Me and Mango is sitting on the porch. How are y'all today? We're cartoons. Say hello, Mango. It's your baby, Mango. Quit crying all the time. Mango, how are you today? I think Halloween is coming, Mango. What do you think? Mango, do you think Halloween is coming? Mango, Halloween. Oh, Halloween. Mango, get that kitty cat off of me. Look, the kitty cat on me. Get him off of me. Tell him to get off of me. Get him, Mango. Mango. Put on your bow. Put on your bow. Oh, your crown. Oh, ouch. What are you biting that bird for? It's almost Halloween. It's getting close to your birthday. What do you think about it? You don't care? He's doing it. Well, he was. Oh, Mango. He's